Okay guys, so today I have a different video. This is like vlog style. I never do these type of videos, but today I'm super excited because I'm going to be trying out an esthetician in my city to get some services done. So let's see what this is all about. I'm going to document my whole experience, so let's get on with the video. Her spot is about 20 minutes away from where I live. I'm located in Long Island / New York City, so this place is located in Queens, about 20-ish minutes away from me. So we're gonna see what it's all about. I'm gonna go ahead inside and see what it's hitting for. Okay, so I will keep you guys updated obviously throughout this whole process, so I will be back with whatever else I have to say. I just left my facial, and as you guys can see, my skin looks freaking amazing. Like, wow, 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 wow. Like, literally. My skin is normally pretty clear and I don't normally have that many issues, but I don't think my skin has ever felt this smooth and just like, ooh, it feels like a baby. And my nose is my problem area and it feels so good right now. So I'm super happy. All of Chantel's information will be in the description box below. And yeah, I think that's all I have to say for right now. So to end up this video, I just wanted to quickly say that Flawless by Chantel is amazing. She is super talented at what she does. She really walks you through step by step the whole way. She even like took time in the beginning to sit with me, talk about my skin, talk about what products I'm using, what issues I've been having, and like she really customized the facial for me specifically, and I really appreciate that. Everything that I got done was amazing. It was so relaxing. Like I literally almost fell asleep on the table and I was still trying to lay there and look cute because I knew it was being recorded, but girl, I wanted to take a nap because it was just so relaxing and peaceful. And I've never gotten a facial before. I never really was the kind of person that put a lot of emphasis into like massages and going to the spa and like getting a facial and like doing those type of things, because one, I'm a broke college student, okay? I don't have the money for it. It was like I could just do a face mask at home. No sis, you can't do a face mask at home. It is not the same. It's not gonna hit the same. I've done it, I've tried it, it don't hit the same, okay? You need to go to an esthetician, someone who's licensed. So I definitely think going to an esthetician is something that you should do on like the monthly basis or every couple of weeks to like keep up with your skin so that they can identify the problem areas. Maybe it's products you're using, maybe it's something else, maybe you need to see a dermatologist, but like I feel like going to someone and having them take a look at your skin and helping you is really important. And it's not something that I ever really placed too much emphasis on because I've kind of been like, you know, self-treating at home. Like I never thought that like facials were really worth it. And it's not just about like the immediate results, it's literally like self-care, like therapy. Like you just lay there and it's so relaxing. So if you have the means to do it, I will definitely suggest going to an esthetician. If you are in the New York City area, definitely check out Flawless by Chantel. It is so hard to find like good people you can go to and like trust to, and you feel comfortable, and the customer service is up to par. The space, the ambiance, the everything is just right. And the icing on the cake, she's black, okay? We love supporting a black business. So if you guys are in my area, make sure you guys go to Queens and check out Flawless by Chantel. She's amazing. I will have all of her information where you guys can book her, the prices, all of that. I'll gather all the information I can and I will put it in the description box below. I can't wait to go back because I need another facial immediately. My skin is misbehaving a little bit. You guys probably can't tell, but other than that, I don't have problematic skin, and I completely felt a difference in my skin, like to the touch. Maybe not visibly, obviously afterwards you guys saw the clip, I looked really glowy and radiant and beautiful, but more so for me it was like how my skin felt. So I'm really happy I went to her. I can't wait to book my next session because I will definitely be going back. Chantel, I'm coming back for you. When you see my name pop up on the scheduling thing, just know just know I was dead serious when I said I was coming back. Let me know what you guys thought about how the service went in the comments down below. Were you relaxed just by watching it? I just got so many DMs on Instagram. So many. I think it was like maybe like 5 or 6 people who were asking me about who I went to, where I went to, how much was the price, what was she like, what does she offer, all these type of things. So I really hope you guys follow through and go check her out because she is amazing. She deserves all the love, all the business, all the support. So make sure you guys go follow her on Instagram and book your facial with her. Period. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel if you aren't already, and make sure your notifications are turned on because so many of you guys come back and watch my videos time after time and you're not subscribed. I don't get it. Thank you guys so much again for watching this video, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.